Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send voice message in WhatsApp. So if you also want to send voice message in WhatsApp, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open WhatsApp application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here WhatsApp application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. So in order to send the voice message, first of all, what you have to do is open the chat in which you want to send the voice message. Simply tap on that chat. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. So sending the voice message is very simple. At bottom, you'll be able to find the message bar over here. Also, you'll be able to find several other icons. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the icon for microphone. So in order to send the voice message, first of all, you'll have to record it. So simply tap and hold on the microphone icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you can see over here the voice message is being recorded. You can also lock it. In order to lock it, simply slide up. After that, it will be locked. Now you'll not have to hold. Your voice message will be recorded by its own. If you want to stop it, simply tap on the stop icon that you can see at the bottom. After that, the voice message will be recorded. Now in order to send it, what you have to do is tap on the send icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you can see over here your voice message has been sent. So that is how you send voice message in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.